Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the secrets of natural health, wellness, and living your best life. Today we're diving into a topic that's absolutely essential for your overall well-being, gut health. Did you know that your gut is often referred to as your second brain? That's right. A healthy gut doesn't just improve digestion. It boosts your immunity, enhances your mood, and even supports your mental clarity. But here's the thing. Modern lifestyles, processed foods, and stress can wreak havoc on your gut, leading to issues like bloating, indigestion, and even weakened immunity. So what's the solution? Nature, of course. Today we're talking about 3 incredible ingredients that can transform your gut health and overall wellness: turmeric, garlic, and fenugreek. Not only do these ingredients help eliminate harmful parasites, bacteria, and viruses from your digestive system, but they also work together to boost your immunity, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. And to top it all off, I'll share a quick 5-minute EB workout routine that complements this gut healing journey. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. Let's begin with turmeric, the golden spice that has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine. Turmeric is packed with a bioactive compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its vibrant color and incredible health benefits. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, making it a powerhouse for gut health. Research shows that curcumin can help eliminate harmful parasites, bacteria, and viruses from your digestive system. It also promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. But that's not all. Turmeric also helps reduce inflammation in the gut lining, which can alleviate conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and leaky gut syndrome. And here's a pro tip. To enhance the absorption of curcumin, always pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. The compound piperine in black pepper boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. So whether you're adding turmeric to your meals or drinking it as a tea, don't forget the black pepper. Next up, we have garlic, a true superstar in the world of natural remedies. Garlic is rich in a sulfur-containing compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it a natural antibiotic for your gut. Garlic works wonders in eliminating harmful pathogens like parasites, bacteria, and fungi from your digestive system. It also supports liver detoxification, improves blood circulation, and strengthens your immune system. But what makes garlic truly special is its ability to work synergistically with turmeric. Together, they create a dynamic duo that not only cleanses your gut, but also enhances your overall health. And here's a fun fact. Garlic has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine to treat everything from infections to digestive issues. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your gut health, garlic is a must-have in your diet. Now let's talk about fenugreek, a humble seed that's often overlooked, but packs a punch when it comes to gut health. Fenugreek is rich in soluble fiber, which helps regulate digestion and prevent constipation. It also contains compounds like saponins and flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Fenugreek is particularly effective in eliminating intestinal parasites and soothing digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. It also helps repair the gut lining, making it a great remedy for conditions like leaky gut syndrome. Plus, fenugreek is a rich source of antioxidants, which protect your gut from oxidative stress and damage. But that's not all. Fenugreek also helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great addition to your diet if you're managing diabetes or insulin resistance. So whether you're soaking fenugreek seeds overnight or adding fenugreek powder to your meals, this ingredient is a game changer for your gut health. So how do you combine these 3 powerhouse ingredients into one gut healing elixir? It's simple. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds soaked overnight, 1 cup of warm water, a dash of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Optional, a teaspoon of honey or lemon juice for added flavor. Instructions: 1. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth. 2. Strain the mixture to remove any solid particles. 3. Drink this elixir every morning on an empty stomach for best results. This drink is not only easy to make, but also incredibly effective in cleansing your gut, boosting your immunity, and improving your overall health. Trust me, your body will thank you. Now that we've covered the importance of gut health, let's talk about another crucial aspect of wellness: fitness. A strong core not only improves your posture, but also supports your digestive system. So I've put together a quick 5-minute AB workout that you can do anywhere, anytime. Let's get started. Strengthens your core, improves posture, and engages your entire body. Targets your obliques and lower abs while improving coordination. Works your lower abs and helps improve digestion by stimulating the abdominal muscles. Enhances core stability, burns fat, and improves rotational strength. Boosts your heart rate, engages your core, and improves cardiovascular health. And that's it. Just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your core strength and overall health. Pair this workout with our turmeric garlic fenugreek drink, and you'll be unstoppable. Before we wrap up, let's recap the incredible benefits of this powerful drink. Turmeric, garlic, and fenugreek work together to cleanse your gut of harmful pathogens. The antimicrobial properties of these ingredients strengthen your immune system. Curcumin and other compounds help soothe inflammation in your gut and body. Fenugreek's fiber content and garlic's digestive enzymes promote healthy digestion. From better skin to improved mood, a healthy gut impacts every aspect of your well-being. Now let's take a moment to understand why gut health is so crucial for your overall well-being. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These microorganisms play a vital role in digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and even producing essential vitamins like B12 and K. But their role doesn't stop there. Your gut microbiome also communicates with your brain through the gut-brain axis, influencing your mood, stress levels, and cognitive function. When your gut is out of balance, it can lead to a condition called dysbiosis, where harmful bacteria outnumber the beneficial ones. This imbalance can trigger a host of health issues, including chronic inflammation, weakened immunity, and even mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. That's why maintaining a healthy gut is so important. By incorporating gut-healing ingredients like turmeric, garlic, and fenugreek into your diet, you can restore balance to your microbiome, strengthen your immune system, and improve your overall health. Let's talk about the long-term benefits of regularly consuming this turmeric garlic fenugreek drink. Over time, this powerful elixir can help you achieve a healthier gut, stronger immunity, and better digestion. But the benefits don't stop there. This drink can also improve your skin health by reducing inflammation and promoting detoxification. Many people who regularly consume turmeric and garlic report clearer, glowing skin as a result of their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Additionally, this drink can support weight management by improving digestion and reducing bloating. Fenugreek in particular is known to promote satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing unnecessary snacking. And let's not forget the mental health benefits. A healthy gut can lead to a happier mind. By reducing inflammation and supporting the gut-brain axis, this drink can help alleviate symptoms of stress, anxiety, and even depression. So, if you're looking for a simple, natural way to transform your health, this turmeric garlic fenugreek drink is a great place to start. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on natural living and wellness. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, so take care of your gut, stay active, and keep shining. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep glowing. Cheers to a healthier you.